Hello children, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Digital Learning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So this is your maths class. In that we are continuing the first chapter and the topic is comparing numbers. So let's get started. Comparing numbers. So children, this is greater than, this is less than, and this one is equals to. So we use these signs to compare the given number. In the previous class, that means in your second class, we have learned how to compare a two-digit number. How you will compare a two-digit number? So you should compare the number which are on tens place. So we have 3 and 4 on the tens place, but this 4 is greater than 3. So put open mouth towards the bigger number. Suppose if we have both the tens numbers same, so we should we should compare the numbers which are on ones place. See, we have same number on both the sides. So we have to compare the numbers which are on ones place. 8 and 2. From 8 and 2, 8 is greater 1. If both the tens and ones are equal, we should put the sign of equals to. See here. Here tens and ones, they both are equal. So put the sign of equals to. In the same way, in three-digit numbers, what you have to do? So I have a number here 796 and 529. In three-digit number, you have to compare the number which are on hundreds place. So from 7 and 5, 7 is greater 1. So put the greater sign towards the bigger one, or open mouth towards the bigger one. Suppose on both the hundreds place we have same number. On the both places, both hundreds place, we have same number, that is 7. So we should compare the numbers which are on tens place. So 0 and 1. So 1 is greater than 0. Open mouth towards the bigger one. Again, if the tens place are equal, so you should compare the ones place numbers. Next, in thousands place, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So here we have a 4-digit number, that is 1256, and this side 2394. So in 4-digit number, you have to compare the digits which are on thousands place. So from 1 and 2, 2 is greater 1. If these two thousands numbers are equal, then compare the hundreds number. Again, if the hundreds place are equal, then you have to compare the tens place number. So the next topic here is ordering of numbers. That is nothing but ascending order or descending order. So we have learned how to arrange numbers from bigger to small or smaller to bigger. Now children, look at this example. Here the numbers are given as 1205, 787, 8098, 6085, 1348. Now let's arrange these numbers from bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger, that is ascending order or descending order. What is ascending order? When the numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger, they are in ascending order or increasing order. And when the numbers are arranged from bigger to smaller, they are in descending order or decreasing order. So let's do one problem here. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order, that is small to big. 787, 8098 and 6085 and 1348. So children, here we have 4-digit number and 3-digit number. So first compare 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4-digit numbers. So from these, 8 is from 1, 8, 6 and 1. Which is the biggest one, children? 8 is the biggest one. 8098. Then after that come 6085. And then now see here, we have 1000 here, 1000 here. That means we have same thousands place. So compare this 2 and 3. Which is the greater one? 3 is the greater one. So first write 1348 and then write 1205. And the smallest number here is 787. So we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. ASCENDING. Ascending order. Another name for ascending order is increasing order. ENCREASING. Increasing order. Now descending order is nothing but you have to write from small to big. Sorry children, by mistake I have written here ascending order. So actually it is descending order. That means from bigger to small. So it is descending order. DESCENDING. Descending order or decreasing order. Okay. So decreasing order is nothing but decreasing order. What we will do in decreasing order? We arrange numbers from big to small. Okay. And in ascending order, or increasing order, we arrange small to big. Okay. So don't get confused in this, children. Be perfect in decreasing order or descending order or ascending order or increasing order. So thank you children. Be ready for the next class. Allah Hafiz.